Welcome back to the Legacy Electric 240Z build series. Today we're going to be building a hood. Stabilized 3-phase leader.
Don't fight the urge.
So we have gel coated the mold already. We're spreading a little bit of resin on the mold first, just a really thin layer. And then we are using stabilized 3K, which you've seen Will cut all these pretty little pieces. We're being extra and putting a big V-weave through everything, so everything takes twice as long. But we're doing it for the culture, you know, be cool. But the stabilize makes it super easy to do. That's the only reason we're also doing it. We found out about stabilize and now we're like, we can't stop. So stabilize, super nice. You can tell it doesn't want to fray. You seen us make that hood video in it? It's got like this weird little trace of stuff in it. Yeah. And yeah, you can cut out crazy shapes like this and it doesn't deform or do any crazy stuff. But you want to make sure you put the side with the little crazy stringies out, so it's not the one facing. How straight is, okay. Is this right on the edge? Come to you a little bit more? Yep, that is good. Just watch out for these little frays, where this is. A lot of times what we do is we'll lay it down and then we'll just take them and we'll let them out and push them right in the edge. And if anything, it'll just create a darker line where the seam is. But we have a nice V-weave there, so yeah, we want you to see it. So you see any of these little hairs? It's on purpose. Team no hairs. This stuff is a little harder to get to conform to crazy curves and stuff. Right here we have a little dip. But it will, and as soon as you wet it out too, it'll loosen up a tad. We're also using the 120-minute pot life hardener, so that will give us more working time with this too. And also, the more working time you have, if you're vacuum bagging it like this, it'll also give you, like you have to, as long as you set in all your layers correctly and everything's tucked and there's no bridging, the vacuum bag can do all the work. If you use too short of a hardener hot life, it'll start to harden and it'll be set in there before you're in like really bagging it. So. Scary.
Stop recording. Stop recording. Yeah, can you lift that up? You just hold it till I set this. See how the rest of that goes.
It's like a clear.
Poke it in. We need a poker.
Grab the McSqueege.
Oh yeah, we do the squeeze. That's fine.
Damn. Xander with the tips. Xander. Come on, it's already hitting.
This should be straight. But are we gonna sacrifice here?
We could just fold this corner a little bit, push it forward with that.
True. Get little side pieces.
Yeah. Side pieces and front pieces?
Side piece and yeah.
Bam, 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 bam.
I didn't cut it to length, so just set it where you want it and then we can trim them.
Set it and forget it.
Okay. Sure. Are you trying to get it in the corner or are you trying to fold it in the corner? Are you trying to like fold it over in the corner or try and get the edge in the corner? Okay.
I'm gonna try to get this lined up with the back too. It's way too much. Did it for the tube.
Where'd you put the scissors?
They're behind you.
Actually, it's probably good we're using these and not the other ones because we don't need to ruin our only good pair of scissors right now.
That's true.
before.
Yeah, that's all that. Wiped it all before now. It's fine. Woo! Looks good to me. Maybe even like just put this up higher and transition it to a point.
There's a big on the front. Looks like it lines up with that. Not like they're touching, so
Yeah, true.
rinse it off.
Spray her down. Maybe in that corner, then slide.
The seams look pretty good too.